Hello people from the YouTube recommendation, and welcome to a brand new video. This is a part 2 to a video that I recorded. Well, secretly recorded, but then got my friend's permission to upload this. So this video is a part 2 to a part 1 that will be uploaded tomorrow. Hope that makes sense. I know a lot of the times I don't make sense, but hopefully this makes sense. So in this, me and my friend are playing this game on Roblox called The Tunnels. It's pretty scary, not gonna lie, because it's loud as train noises. But yeah, I just wanted to say this is a part 2 to a part 1 video. I hope I'm making sense here. Hope I'm making sense. If not, that's okay. Whatever. Just enjoy the video, I guess. Peace. This game features content that may be triggering for some players. Flashing lights. Kanye! Jump scares.
What?
Noises. Train. Oh, nothing. Flashing lights.
Trains.
Yeah.
I like trains.
Trains. I like trains.
Yeah. That was cool. That was cool.
That was cool.
Okay. Oh, the tunnels.
Explore, blah blah blah, collect. Some rooms include fuses that can be collected. The number of fuses within the tunnel varies. Depending on the difficulty, as you collect these fuses, you can item for incoming trains. Escape after you collected all the fuses, head towards the exit, blah 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 blah. Okay.
I like trains. Where's the train?
Gotta find fuses.
Did I just hear a train? But he really be like, I like trains.
I like trains.
Oh, I found the service room. What service do they provide?
Oh, hey. Service.
Special service. How do we get in?
Especially for you.
Oh, we got like a compass or whatever.
Yeah, compass.
Like, what do we do?
We have to find fuses. I don't know where. I don't know how. We gotta find them. Oh. I collected a fuse.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit, it's a trade. I hear trade.
Okay, I'm safe. I'm safe.
Where the
Found
hell's
the
the
exit.
trade?
I found the exit.
What? Oh
Where's
my!
it coming from?
Oh my god!
Are you dead?
No. What the hell? Where the hell is it coming from? From where? Where?
Oh my god, it just ran right past me! Oh my god!
What the fuck is it? Oh my god.
Dude, I was stepping out for a second and it almost hit me, bro.
Dude, this is generally scary. What the fuck? No!
Do they ever stop coming?
No. I don't think so. Oh my god.
So we just gotta keep playing this and hopefully not getting run over by a train?
Yeah, we gotta find fuses. Or some shit like that.
Oh no, this is too hard.
It's too loud.
Shit.
No.
We need 3 more fuses.
3 more. Oh, hey, nerd.
Oh hey. Yeah, this is where I've been stuck. They
We need
just
2
keep
more.
coming from right here.
We need 2 more.
Right here, this is where they keep coming in.
I can see that.
Yep, there it goes. See what I mean?
Yeah. It's like they know. Oh shit. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh! Oh shit! Oh!
I'm dead!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Fuck no, dude. Fuck no.
Oh shit!
Fuck no, I'm not playing this.
Why not?
You hear how loud this is?
I'm trying to find more fuses.
And then he got ran over by a train.
I am not gonna get ran over.
Really?
Yeah, I'm
Really?
safe.
Really?
Yeah,
We'll see about that.
yeah. We'll see about that. Oh shit! Oh hey, you're alive.
Yeah, but I have 1 death on my record.
Bro,
Now we won't be raised.
come on, man. Let's find the other fuses.
No!
Oh my god. I got ran
Really?
over. I got ran over.
I thought you said you were gonna get run over.
That was a test.
Oh, my tongue is long!
Oh my god.
Fuck, my tongue is long!
Okay, where do I put the fuse? What the hell's the train? What happened?
Where's it coming from?
Oh shit.
Ah! I don't want to play this anymore, Pumpkin!
Too bad. No. 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 No.
Oh,
We need one more fuse. Are you still alive?
what is this?
You're still alive, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we need one more fuse.
At the entry point.
I need one more fuse.
Well, trains keep coming by!
It's fine. It's fine.
My neck hurts from screaming.
No, there's good content right here. Oh my god. I did not see that coming. Oh, hey, nerd. Hey, nerd. I'm gonna go get a fuse. I'm gonna die. Oh, shit!
Yeah, I just saw that.
Shit. I'm going. I ain't no pussy.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, you finna get run over. Really?
Yep.
Now we won't be raised. Hey, now we won't be scarred.
Bob, I'm scared. Holy shit!
I like trades.
Yeah, me too. I like trains. I found it! I found it! I found it! I found it! Found it!
Why am I hearing screaming? Dude, we don't have any sprinting. There's no sprinting in this.
I know, it sucks! Oh my god, that gate opened.
Wait, there's more fuses we have to find?
Woo!
Dude, we have to find 6 more.
No, we don't. I did it. I opened the exit.
Did you get out of it?
I'm going to.
I'm finna die. I'm finna fucking die. Fuck! No, I quit. I quit.
I
can't keep
survived.
doing it.
I won.
What?
I won.
You won?
Yeah. Yes.
Fuck no. Fuck no.
Took me 12 minutes. 16 seconds. And 3 deaths to escape the tunnels on Daydream difficulty.
Fuck no, I'm already on my 5th one. No, I lied.
Man, that was fun.
Wait, what's the psychological experiment? Oh, never mind. It's 25 Robux.
Man, that was fun.